This movement is the Clubbell order cyclist squat. So for this exercise, we need two pieces of equipment. We need a single Clubbell and also a slant board. If you don't have a slant board, we can use two squat wedges, or what we can do is take a 25 or 45 pound weight plate and just elevate our heels, the back of our heels, on the weight plate to get the same effect as the slant board. But for today, I'm just going to use the slant board. So to begin, we're going to hold the Clubbell in the order position. So the order position is both forearms at 90 degrees and your elbows pinned into your side. So we'll get into the order position and then we'll slowly walk back onto the slant board to begin the movement. And the cyclist squat variation of this exercise, we have to bring our feet closer together than a traditional squat. So bring them as close as you can. Getting back into that order position. And then you want to maintain a vertical torso, so we're never leaning forward in this exercise. We have a nice proud chest. We keep our shoulders back, maintaining the order position. So to begin, take a big deep breath and then come down as low as you can. Ideally, you would have your hamstrings touch the back of your calves. This is the ideal depth. If not, you can work towards it. So this is the bottom position, and then slowly come back up, maintaining a vertical torso. So again, I'll show you once more. Forearms 90 degrees, big deep breath. Get down as low as you can, and then back up. So I like this variation because of the range of motion. Some people have limited ankle mobility and they're not able to squat down to the same extent as you can on a slant board. So you may even feel this in your quads even more than a normal squat. And by using the Clubbell, we have to balance even more, engage our core even more, because this is not a stable piece of equipment. All the weight is distributed in the head. So this variation is probably even a little bit more difficult than just holding a kettlebell or holding a dumbbell. So it's pretty unique. So again, it's the Clubbell order cyclist squat.